Hello, I'm Gary Frerking. I am a high school history teacher here at Eureka Junior Senior High School. I'm in the last semester, like most of us, hopefully, of the T2T program through 4A State, and I'm doing the masters on top of it. So last 7 hours to get my masters. So I'm really jacked about that, and I'm jacked about uh, getting the whole KPTP thing done and my PLT and the master's thing, the master's test. So I moved down here 2 years ago. Me and my wife are going to be expecting our first child here in July. So this is very good timing to get all my classes done, as I'd say, um, and stuff like that. Been fun doing these classes, but I can't wait for them to be done so I have a little more free time to do other things than just classwork. To more worry about my skill, honing my skills as a teacher. I've come pretty familiarized with how to do this with the master classes because a lot of the master classes have to put yourself a video and stuff of yourself on this. Hopefully, we get this Google community up so we get this on there. So I keep on moving forward and doing stuff um, that we can get this class going and just get started so I can get working on my other classes. My knowledge of the KPTP is that I'm already into task 3 of doing this teaching wise. I started over during Christmas break on it because I just know that with the PLT and the KPTP and my master's stuff that it's just going to be a really hectic here till the spring break, but I can get it done because after spring break I get pretty busy myself with school, with coaching and other stuff. So I think it's a very good deal. I've had pretty good think for starting on the KTPP. I think I've done pretty well on it. Just a lot of make sure that I'm filling out everything correctly, and my subgroup and my focus students and stuff like that. Making sure I get put down as much as I can possible on it. I'm excited to get that done. I know I have to do the graphs and stuff like that, but I think I'm just going to get all my reflecting process and all that done first and then add that later. But like I said, hopefully the first time they grade it, it's done, we're good, we'll go, we'll move on. So I've been really working hard on that. The reflective process in this course is, as a teacher, we always got to reflect on our stuff we do every day. And just like as I found out from my first 2 years of teaching here, that I have to change stuff just because the kids can't get it, or just because I might have to change a different way, so make sure the whole class can get it. So I think it's very good to reflect on your practices because for you to get better, if you don't reflect, you're not going to get better. You're going to be stuck in the same rut. So that's what I hope to get out of this class, and hope to meet all of you guys, and all of us are probably all excited at the same part if we're about ready to get done with the KPTP and the PLT and all that. My PLT is scheduled on the 11th of here this month, so I'm totally trying to get that focused in, make sure to get that passed, and then get the KPTP and then the master exam, and then I'll be deuces and have my master's and have my teaching certificate, my license and stuff. So I hope this is a very good semester for everybody, and hope to get to know you guys, and that we all can reflect and get our KPTPs and PLTs, and if you guys are doing the masters and all that all done at the same time. So I hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.